Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install running boards on a 2019 through 2024 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. This is going to work on the customs, the LTs, the high countries, basically any model. And it's also going to work on the 1500s, 2500s, and the 3500s. In today's video, I have a 2024 RST that I'm going to be doing this demonstration on. These running boards I bought on Amazon for about $150, and I'm going to leave a link in the description down below directly to this listing. Honestly, the quality seems really good so far, and after I have these on the truck for a while, I'm going to make an update video to show you how good they are lasting. I really don't think you can beat them for $150 when the OEM GM ones are about $1,000. It's absolutely crazy. So let's get into the install. Now, as far as tools that we need, all you really need is a ratchet and then a 1/2 inch or a 12mm socket. Super easy and super simple. And of course, this also does help if you have an automatic one. It makes the job go a little bit faster, but either way is going to work perfectly fine. And this kit actually includes all the hardware as well, which is actually really nice. Right here we have the brackets, and I'm going to show you exactly where to mount them on the truck. So we're going to be taking a look here underneath the passenger door, and I'm going to show you guys the inside. There are 4 different brackets here underneath the truck for each side, and basically there's going to be these little plastic tabs that cover the holes. And I know I said all you need is a socket, but really you probably want some pliers or some really strong fingers to be able to pull and pry these off. All you do is just kind of grab it and pop it off just like this. You're going to remove these, so that way we can attach the bracket to it. All right, and right here we have the supplied hardware with the crush washer on the middle, and then the actual washer there at the end. All right, so we got the bottom bolt nice and tug right on there, and then we're gonna have 4 more of these on each side. Something that I want to mention here is some of the brackets face to the right, and then some of them face to the left. So what I did here is I did them every other one. That way they kind of balance each other out. So this one goes to the left and the other one goes to the right. And another thing that I found helpful is actually to do the bottom bolt first and then have this one floating. That way we can get this one flush, because otherwise it's about a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch gap here on the bottom, which you definitely don't want. It is, after all, just a Chinese kit here, so we can't expect perfection, but this is going to look a lot better by tightening this bottom one and then having this one be a little bit higher. So I have a crew cab here, and basically I tried to roughly line this up as far as aesthetic purposes and then also practicality purposes goes as well. And what I kind of found here is that measuring from the mud flap to the edge right there is 6 inches. That's basically perfect. So if you want to do exactly the way I have it, just measure 6 inches from mud flap to the edge of the running board. And here we have the hardware all on it. We're just going to slide it. So we're going to slide all of these across the other side. That way we just have the 2 that we're going to bolt into the bracket here. So now just remove the bolt and then move this little T-nut over the hole and then just bolt it up. And let's go ahead and give it the good old stand test. And here we can see these things are not going anywhere. They are really solid and strong, and I really think they make the truck look pretty good here as well. Overall, pretty decent, very easy install. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It definitely helps out the channel. And let me know what other videos you want to see me make on the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.